Free tip Friday. You got your bits and your bobbles in your drill case, your tool bag, whatever, right? You keep, you know, they wind up in the bottom of the bag, in the bottom of your box, and you can't find them. You got stuff everywhere. So what you do, you take some rare earth magnets, crazy glue them somewhere, and boom, they're there for good. Took some on my drill, did the same thing. I just used some activator, held it with the drill bit, right? Put down some glue, some activator, shot it with some activator, and boom. I know most drills have like little holders. This one doesn't. Some of them do, some of them don't. But this will help keep you organized. Hope it helps you. Be well, be blessed. Be safe on your job site and in your shop. See ya!